Good evening, madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir Raguraman, sir, today can you say vote of thanks for the session?
Madam,
Vote of thanks for the session.
vote of thanks for the last day,
Session,
huh?
session, at the end of the session.
Okay. I'll give you. No problem.
We are searching you on Saturday.
Oh my goodness. Saturday left, madam. Today I'll give you 5:30. What time it closes? 5:30?
5:30, yeah.
Okay. Just 2 minutes only?
Yeah. You can, whatever you observed, you can.
Afraid I'll do it. Doing good job. People are not utilizing. That's what I feel pity on the professors and also the students. Why it is? Hello?
I think Rajamannar sir, from where Rajamannar joined.
Yes, madam?
Rajamannar sir, there is one Rajamannar. From where? Which institution?
Me, myself?
Ah,
Madam, I am from MIRA, M-I-R-A, CEO of the CEO.
okay.
I'm a Chief Executive Officer.
Okay. Because there is one Dr. Rajamannar from Manomaniyam Sundarnar University.
Yes, I know him.
Ah,
I know him. Madam, I would like to talk to you.
yeah, tell me, sir.
Phone number. Possible.
Tell me, sir.
Possible. I want your phone number, madam.
My phone number. 94433.
1 minute. 94433.
62947.
629.
947.
94433 62947. Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir.
You are attached to Bardar Institute. Am I right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What time the session over? 5:30 or 5:20? We'll give the vote of thanks.
5:25, you should get ready.
Okay.
The participants, if they want to interact with the resource person, today resource person is Mr. Arun.
Okay.
Yeah, if they want to interact with him, they can. Otherwise, we will proceed by 5:25.
Okay. Right. Done. I am taking a lot of notes for my benefit.
Oh, rules,
Notes.
Notes, okay. Dr. V. Palanichami, Assistant Professor, Gudiyakam, Government College.
Okay.
And Ramesha, Assistant Professor, Government Arts College, Hassan.
Yeah, Palanichami, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
We are Ramesh, sir. Ramesha, isn't it?
Yeah, Ramesh. Yeah.
Ramesha, Hassan.
Okay. Nagarajan has come. Ganesh, but
No, they have given their details in the chat box.
okay.
Shall we proceed, sir?
Please, madam.
Today's resource person, I think he is ready. Arun, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready, ma'am. I'm ready for
Okay.
you.
Okay, welcome to the session.
Thank you.
And very good afternoon to one and all assembled here. And I wish to introduce today's resource person, Mr. C. Arun Kumar. He is working as a delivery manager in Infinix. He comes with a background of commerce with computer applications. He holds BCom CA graduation from Periyar University. He has about 14 years of career experience in digital marketing, direct sales and customer relationship management from established brands like HDFC, Life Insurance, Centurion Bank of Punjab, Aircel, Landmark, VBJ Jewellers and Alliance Group. Currently overseeing 50 plus client project deliverables with regard to digital at Infinix at digital marketing agency in Chennai. On behalf of all the participants and on behalf of School of Commerce, Bharatiyar University, and on behalf of our RUSA project fellow and digital marketing team of RUSA, I welcome you, sir, for this sixth day session of social media digital marketing program. I think and I hope and various group of academicians and industrialists and students, we hope this session will be fruitful for the benefit of the students as well as the participants. Now
Right.
over to Anand, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for the brief introduction, Ms. Somsing. Okay. So for today's session, we are planning to understand or learn more about Google AdWords, basically. So
What is that?
Google AdWords.
Google AdWords. Okay.
Yeah, right. So good afternoon to all. I'm hoping to interest everybody on this session. Okay, I'm here to present you the presentation. I hope everybody is able to see my presentation right now.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So before proceeding to the actual tutorial, I would like to give you a basic introduction about what is Google AdWords and why we need Google AdWords. So today's businesses are finding audiences everywhere, wherever it is possible. And considering today's scenario, everybody is searching online and everybody is on online, which means everybody is available in digital. And for brands, it is crucial to build brand awareness and build a relationship with clients and customers on online as well. It means digital as well. So building relationships with clients or audience or customers on online is through multiple mediums that is available today. One of such mediums is Google AdWords. So today, whoever wants to find any service or whoever wants to find best products that are available in market, or whoever wants to find services related to their expectations, they will go for a search on the Google. So when someone is searching for a product or a service that is related to our brand or our business, it is crucial for a brand to be listed on the top of the results. Basically, when I say result, the result that is appeared on the Google once the search is happened. So for businesses, it is crucial to be present on the top of the page. Why it is crucial for businesses to be present in the top of the page is Google has only about some 10 results to be displayed on the first page of the results. And mostly users who are visiting who are doing the search on the search engine, they tend to click on the first 3 or 4 positions of the results. So imagine if your business or a website is placed in second page or third page of the Google results, you don't get that opportunity to attract that user or attract that audience. So such crucial is that you get to place your website or your business on the top of the results. So in order for us to promote or showcase our website in the top of the results, we have 2 types of methods. One is the usual or the non-paid or an organic way, which is basically we address it as SEO, search engine optimization. And the other part is the easiest part, where usually brands or businesses go for the paid versions or the advertisement mode. So basically, when you want to present your business or a website on top of their search results, you can opt for Google's own advertisement platform, which is addressed as which is called as Google Ads. In the beginning, this service is called as Google Adwords. Right now, it has been renamed to Google Ads in order to ensure that Google is focused on all types of advertisements. So we are going to see what is Google AdWords and how Google AdWords works, and what are all the features or attributes that are available on the Google Ads, and how we can make use of this platform for our advantage for our business. So Google, what is Google Ads? Google Ads is basically a program which is offered to general advertisers to promote their business or promote their products and services to the audience who are using the Google search engine. So when someone is searching for a, say for example, someone is searching for a cake delivery near me, or someone is searching for what is it? Best
cycle, best motorcycle.
Whatever product they are.
Product. Okay.
Right. So when someone is searching for that product, Google throws up a search results which Google considers they are most relevant for the search. For example, someone has searched for a best cycle for 2020, and Google has their own type of algorithm, their own way of algorithm, which will define which website is providing that information, that fruitful information, or the most relevant information for that search query. So based on that, Google lists some 10 results on the Google search results or Google results pages. Let me show you once again. So can you see my window, or you are still able to see only my presentation?
Yeah, window we can see.
No, I am just asking you, is the presentation is still showing up, or I am showing, or the window, search window, which I have done right now, is showing up?
Yeah, sir, we can see it, sir.
We can see the display is there. The cycle display is there.
Okay, got it. So I have done a search like best cycles under 10,000. So here is a list that Google throws to me, whichever is relevant for my search query. And the first intent of this search query is basically best cycles under 10,000. Basically, I'm trying to find best cycles that are under the range of 10,000 rupees. So for which Google finds this OBC India website as a best relevant website for this search query, because this website is throwing me top 10 best gear cycles under 10,000 in India, which is almost like fulfilling my search query. The intent of search is almost fulfilled on this website or on this web page. So if I find it more relevant to my search query, I'll be clicking on this search result. Or if I already know about this OBC India, I might go for other listings. So followed by the OBC India, I'm seeing a Flipkart's listing, and followed by I'm seeing multiple videos that are relevant for my search query. Why Google is throwing up this multiple types of listing is basically Google tries to understand what exactly is my intent for this search. So based on my search query right now, best cycles under 10,000, pretty much we are able to understand. I'm trying to find cycles that are under 10,000, but still I'm not very specific in what I am looking for. So Google is throwing multiple results. For example, if I am looking for a review, Sorry, somebody has. Did somebody ask a question?
No, nothing else.
Okay. So Google is trying to find whether I am looking for any reviews. Basically, if I go into this videos, there might be some reviews being posted or promoted by those channel viewers or channel holders. So still, I have to refine my keyword based on my exact intention. So that's why Google is throwing up multiple types of information. One is the information-based result, and the other one is product-based results. If I am looking to buy any product, this will be the section I am going to explore and go into. Or if I am going to directly buy from the Flipkart, I will be going to the Flipkart. So based on the searcher's intention or the search query intention, Google throws up these results. So these results are basically organic way of showing up or promoting our websites or promoting our content or product or service, whatever we can call it. So how this results are being promoted by Google is basically there are prescribed guidelines from Google for our website, where Google can understand our content on the website and then promote it to the specific audience. Like, for example, if this website has done the guidelines which is prescribed by Google based on the guidelines provided. Hence, they are promoting this website for the search query related to best cycles under 10,000. So, in order for a brand to be promoted on the top results, those brands has to be following these guidelines, which is prescribed by search engines, which is basically Google. And finding those guidelines and making or building your website based on the guidelines is basically somewhat technical expertise, which most of the search engine optimizers or digital marketers today can offer to any brand or service. And for any business that wants to get promoted on the top of the page results, these guidelines has to be followed by them as a holistic strategy. If those strategies or if those guidelines were not followed by any brand, it could be possible that their website might be listed at the behind of the pages. Say, for example, I am going to a 10th page of Google search result. There is a website called carandbike.com. So this website is providing Honda bike price in India. So which is basically not relevant to my search query, but still Google somewhat finds this is related to my intention, not the search query. I might be looking for information related to bikes as well. So Google is giving an opportunity for this website to be displayed or to be showcased on the search results. So this is not completely relevant to my search query. So I'll not be able to find the information, or my intention will not be fulfilled at this website. So I'm going back to the search result. So based on this behavior, Google will decide whether I have to give that opportunity of promoting this website to the online user or not. So these are the guidelines which are given to businesses or websites to get them promoted on the search results.
But we should be very specific, sir. Am I right, sir? If you want to say cycle price in this range, suppose I say cycle price, I want the race bike. The price should be between 2,000 to 5,000. If you are very specific, you should go to very specifically and search for that. Am I right?
Exactly correct. Google will be able to understand your exact intention based on the search query that you feed in.
Exactly.
So
we should be very specific. What you want, we should be very specific on that.
Like you have mentioned, for example, I am looking for a hero cycle that is under 10,000. Heroes under 10,000. I am doing the search. So Google throws me hero cycles that are under 10,000. For example, the Hercules Top Gear FX100 is under 10,000.
Yeah.
So my search intent or my search query is fulfilled here.
Hmm.
So whichever website that is enticing for me, or I feel that whichever website is fulfilling my intention, I will be going or visiting that website and make my purchase or whatever I wish to have.
Correct.
So this is basically a guideline which is given for all the businesses or all the websites. So whoever is following those guidelines, they get that opportunity to come up in the first results, first page of the results, and the top of the positions. So basically, when I say first page of results, Google gives you 100 results for each of your search query. So 100 results is basically categorized into 10 pages. So first page is what I'm speaking about right now. Why first page is more important is there is a study from Google that most of the searches, almost like 70% of the searchers who are doing this kind of searches are clicking on the first 5 results. People go to second page or third page only when they find or they want to find more content or they want to find most relevant content. That is when they go to the second page or third page. So it is crucial for all the businesses who want to attract those kind of audience. When I say 70% of users are clicking on the top results, imagine I am selling a Hero cycle under 10,000, or I'm selling a Hercules Top Gear FX10, FX100 cycle. And there are about 100 people today who wants to buy this cycle or making the search in the Google. And if I can't able to promote my website on the top positions, like for example, Flipkart is at the first position right now. If I am not able to be placed on this first position, I'm losing that 100 potential audience, potential customers.
So guidelines will be given free of cost, or guidelines we should pay something for the guidelines?
No, guidelines is it's available free for all. Whoever wants to basically, let me show you that guidelines.
Please. So if you follow the guidelines, our product will be in the first page in the top. Am I right?
Right, sir. So this is basically this type of promotion is called search engine optimization.
Yeah. SEO.
Which is part of search engine marketing, and this is basically prescribed guidelines for all the businesses and for all the websites that want to show up on the Google search results. And there are methods in a way where you can build your website so that you get that opportunity on the top of the positions. If you follow these guidelines, your website will be readable, or your website will be observed by Google as a relevant website. But still, if you want to show up on the top of the positions, there are other methods that is not prescribed on this guideline.
Okay.
Those are basically expertise methods. Mostly that will be provided by the digital marketers or the search engine optimizers who are available in the market. So what I'm trying to say with this guidelines is basically, if a website is not following this guideline, there is no opportunity that website is being shown up in the search results. And there are other brands or websites which might not be aware about these guidelines. So for them, there is an opportunity to show up in the top position based on this search query. That opportunity is basically paid version.
So two paid version and free versions, both are there.
Right, sir. Whatever we have discussed right now in terms
Free
of
version.
SEO,
Okay.
that is the organic way.
That is free version.
Right, that is a free version.
Okay.
And there is a paid version where basically, like, I have typed for buy a Hercules cycle. And for this keyword, Amazon is bidding for this keyword, or Amazon is trying to promote their Hercules cycle page to me. Here, if you see that this listing has
Amazon ad. Amazon.
Yeah, so this is an ad basically, which means that Google is giving an opportunity to Amazon where they can promote their website on top of the position for this keyword. Why Amazon has to go for this advertisement is basically, if you look the first organic website is actually Hercules. And the second is actually Flipkart. If I have to scroll down to below, I am given up with the Google local listings, which means that local listings are basically businesses which are near to my location.
Okay.
Okay, so if I scroll down, I am able to see Amazon listing only at the bottom of the page. So here Amazon is actually losing out on those potential audience. So Amazon is actually bidding for that keyword to be on the top of the result.
Sir, can you share your screen?
Sir, am I up? Sir,
Screen is
where
not
are you?
visible. Stop sharing. Okay, somebody sharing.
Mahesh, Johnny, or something.
Mr. Mahesh, if you don't mind, can you let me be the host to share my screen? Mr. Mahesh.
Magesh, Johnny, could you please withdraw yourself?
Mr. Mahesh.
I don't understand what is the people are thinking in their mind to just middle of the presentation.
Okay, I'm able to
Yeah.
overtake it. Okay, no
Please.
problem. So Amazon is missing out on this potential audience without with their listing being at the bottom of the page. So in order to overcome this negativity, Amazon is bidding for this keyword and they are listing up in the top of the result.
So when you say bidding, many people are there. I mean, highest bidder. How do you say? You say bidding. Amazon is bidding on this.
Right. So we'll go into that part in the next.
Okay. Fine,
next
sir.
part.
Right.
So I'm just giving you an explanation why Amazon is going on bidding up for this keyword.
Okay, fine.
So Google is giving this opportunity for businesses those who don't have that opportunity to place themselves on the top of the page. That is why we are going to see, or we are going to learn what Google AdWords is. So basically, Google AdWords is a platform or a service being offered to all the businesses by Google to promote their products or services to the potential audience through the paid means. So how this AdWords platform works is basically, it's an auction-based system, which is basically like if I am going to bid for this keyword, I have to give Google what is the maximum budget or maximum bid I am willing to pay for this keyword. Like if Amazon is participating for this keyword and they are bidding for this keyword, there are other competitors who are also bidding for this keyword. Like for example, on the right hand side, there is Flipkart. Flipkart is also bidding for this keyword. Okay, all the listings are okay. There are other brands like Leader Bicycles is also bidding for this keyword. So the listing that you are looking on the right hand side, this is called as shopping ads. Basically, I'm directly promoting my shopping ads. Shopping ads is basically, this is a product which I can buy from this website. And this section that you are looking at right now, this is basically text ads or the text listing.
So when you go for shopping ad, probably you can get a lot of features. You can see a lot of features compared to the text.
Right, on the shopping ad, you can directly display your product image and as well as your product pricing. But on the text listing, you will not be able to list out your product image and the pricing. Maybe you've been able to promote your pricing on the product page description, but still the right hand side is much more attractive to me. I'm directly able to see what is the price of this product and how the product will be looking in reality. So that gives me an impression. Okay, this is how my product is going to be. Okay, I'll try and explore this website.
Good.
So that is the kind of attention which Google is trying to attract from the potential audience.
Oh, that's good.
So the system works in an auction way. Auction way means whoever wants to participate for that a specific keyword gets the opportunity to showcase their website for the search term based on multiple parameters that Google sets into the platform. Right now, we will understand. Okay, the system works on the bidding system, and like we have discussed, Google is offering us more than 5 methods of promotions. The first one is search campaigns. The search campaigns is basically what you have seen right now. So these are the search campaigns where you can give more elaborate, detailed information to the audience from the description part. And there are other types of advertisements as well, which is like you can promote shopping campaigns, you can do display campaigns, you can do video campaigns, you can do app campaigns. So basically, shopping campaigns will help businesses who wants to sell their products. So this type of text listing is not available for the shopping campaign. The shopping campaign gives the advantage in terms of promoting the product image and as well as the pricing point. If at all you have a specific offer running for that specific product, you have an option to promote that offer as well.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Did somebody raise a question?
No, sir. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem. I was just
5 methods. Sir, one is shopping, display, video, ad campaign. Another?
app campaigns, sir. Shopping campaign, display campaign, video campaign, and app campaign.
Okay. Only 4.
Shopping campaign is basically the ones that you are looking at right now. And if I have to give you another example, so the right hand side are basically the shopping ads, which will give you an option to promote your product with more informations like product image and as well as the pricing point. Okay. If you look at on the left hand side, there is a website called Smartivity. They are still promoting for this keyword or bidding for this keyword, but they are promoting their landing page. And apart from that, there is also a campaign model called display campaigns. Display campaigns are nothing but we go and explore or we go browse for more content on the online or on the digital, right? Say for example, right now I am visiting a Times of India website. I am trying to find latest content or news on the lifestyle section of Times of India. Here, Times of India has provided a real estate for advertisers. Basically, here GoDaddy is promoting their ads. So GoDaddy has tied up with Google for this real estate or for this place on this Times of India website. So when I mouse over, this is showing me that ads by Google. So this is basically a display campaign or display ad. So when it comes to text campaigns, you have the option of explaining your products or services through textual contents. But when it comes to display campaign, you get the opportunity to promote your product or services with an attractive, creative, or more informations, whatever you feel which is more relevant for. So right now there is another advertisement loading up. Let me show you another example of display campaign. Okay, right now if you look on the right hand side, there is a promotion done by Word master, unlock your blogs to revenue potential. This is actually a display campaign by Google, which is basically the word mastrative is a advertiser for Google, advertiser in Google, and Google has tied up with Times of India to promote this advertiser's content on their website.
But for that, they should pay. Am I right? It's not.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Again, it is based on the bidding that they want to make.
Bidding. Okay.
Right. So the mode of advertisement is what we are discussing right now.
Yeah.
So the modes of advertisement is basically search campaign, shopping campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, and app campaigns.
Which one is powerful, sir? Out of all these things,
Which one is
powerful? Out of all 5 campaigns, 5 promotions, which one is very powerful? Search or shopping or video?
all the modes of or all the types of campaigns are powerful. Depends on the requirement of the advertiser.
Oh.
Say for example, I am being an advertiser. My objective would be like I want to build a brand awareness rather than I want to go for immediate conversions. So I would go for display campaigns.
Okay.
And if my intention is basically on conversions, immediate conversions, then I would prefer search campaigns or shopping campaigns based on my business model.
Okay.
So it depends on the brand's immediate requirements. If I am a say for example, if I am a business from a film industry, or say for example, if I am a photographer or a videographer, I might be looking for showcasing my portfolio and attracting users from the YouTube viewers.
Okay.
So obviously my potential type of campaign would be video campaigns. And if I want to promote my app, which is basically say for example, I have an app where people can play and earn money. So my intention or my objective is basically I want people to install that app and explore and make use of the app. Okay. So I will go for an app campaign.
So which is the fast conversion rate, sir?
So conversion, when it comes to conversion, again it depends on the type of
campaign,
type of business.
Business. Okay, fine.
Right. So if I am looking for, if say for example, I am actually I am actually a back pain surgery back pain consultant. Okay. I would go for search campaigns because I am looking for leads who want to come to my clinic for back pain issues.
Back pain.
So I will be going for search campaigns. I will not be able to go for shopping campaigns because it is not a product; it's a service.
Why not display?
Yeah, you can go for display campaign, but again, like I mentioned, you are looking for immediate conversions, right?
Okay, fine. But that's good. All right.
Right. So display campaign is basically a brand awareness building campaign.
Oh, okay, fine. That's good. Okay, brand awareness campaign.
So search campaign and display campaign difference is basically when someone is doing the search, their intent for that service or product is more related to than display campaign. Okay. Because when someone is searching for buy Hercules cycle under 5,000, their intention is to buy the product.
Okay, shopping campaign.
Correct. Okay. And when I promote the same content in display through the display campaign, their intention is not actually buying that bicycle. Their intention is actually looking out for content that is related to lifestyle.
Okay. Understood. Clear, sir.
Yeah. So in this example, I am trying to find content that is available in Times of India under the category of lifestyle.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Understood.
Yeah. Okay. So the intention is what actually defines the mode of campaign.
Excellent.
Right. So these are all the type of campaigns that you can able to opt from the Google Ads. And let me go to the. Okay. Why we have to go to Google Ads is basically, like I mentioned, close to some 70% of users who are doing the search on Google goes to the top of the position. So it is basically crucial for every business to be on the top of the position to not miss out on the opportunities. And here there are few status which is given by some of the leading businesses in digital. So 60% of almost 65% of people on Google Ads when they are looking to buy an item online. And 89% of traffic generated by search ads is not replaced by organic clicks. Like we have discussed, the paid ads is what is actually getting the highest number of clicks. If you look at the stat, almost 90% of people who are searching for a product or a service as an immediate conversion, they will go for the paid campaigns or they will go for the paid listings. People who are looking to who are doing the search related to information related content, they will be going for further research on the results. Say for example, if I am doing some research on some topic, I will not be fulfilled with first two results. I might want to know more information about that topic. So I will be exploring and I will be doing some research on multiple listings that is available on the top of the page.
Okay.
So research based and content based businesses can go for SEO, and those businesses who want the immediate results and those businesses who want to convert, those businesses who want to expand their immediate results, they can opt for the paid promotions. Okay, and in general, from Google AdWords, this status was given by Google that every business who is spending about $1 in Google AdWords is getting about $2 in revenue, which means that for example, 100 rupees spent in Google AdWords will give me an ROI of around some 50% or 100%. And what are all the benefits of using Google AdWords is basically, Google AdWords is faster than SEO, which is the default guidelines given by Google to all the businesses who want to promote their business on the top of the results. And Google AdWords helps us in increasing the brand awareness. It also helps us in reaching out those customers who are using the Google Gmail platform. So Google gives you an opportunity to promote your content on the Gmail inbox as well. I don't know how many of you are using Gmail right now. If you have noticed, or if you have noticed your inbox,
yeah, I've seen that. Yes, it is there.
Yeah.
I'm using a Gmail only. A lot
Correct.
of ads will be coming there. Okay.
Correct. So those, those ads are basically Gmail ads. I haven't captured that on the type of campaigns. That is basically a Gmail campaign. So that's a separate type of campaign.
So that will not be distracted to the, viewers, or I am browsing, things are there, ad is coming there in the right hand side. How to avoid that? Is it not possible to avoid?
Yes, sir. It is a distraction, but still there is a place that Google can utilize for the advertisers. See, generally Gmail campaigns are not performing like the other campaigns.
Okay.
Because again, it's a distraction to most of the users. But still, there are conversions happening on the Gmail part.
Can you not avoid it? Is it not possible to avoid? No.
No, sir. Right now, you will not be able to avoid it because it's a free service, right?
Okay.
Gmail is a free service from Google, and
Okay.
Google wants to make out money out of this through this advertisement.
Okay.
So you'll not be able to completely avoid that advertisements. Maybe you can
Stop appearing. You can stop appearing for that. Anything is possible?
No. Still, you will not be able to stop it completely. You can customize it to your preference. If you want to limit or reduce the type of business or type of ads, you will be able to do that. Which means that you can only see ads that are relevant to you or ads that you feel is okay for me.
Okay. You can go to settings and then do things other. Am I right?
Exactly right.
Okay,
You can
right.
do that kind of customization, but you will not be able to completely eliminate that advertisement.
Fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right. And apart from this all types of campaigns, you can still, there is another type of campaign which is called as remarketing campaign. Remarketing is basically, say for example, right now I have visited Amazon, right? Amazon or Flipkart, whatever website, when I was searching for bicycle. I haven't made that purchase. Since I was explaining to you, I was just opening that website and showing to you, and then I have returned to the tutorial session. But think from the Amazon point, if I am a potential user, I am just doing comparison with multiple websites. So I have done a comparison on Amazon, and right now I am going to another website to do that comparison in terms of pricing and number of days of delivery and so on. Based on that, I might be choosing the business or choosing the brand. I might be buying it from Amazon, I might be buying it from Flipkart, or I might be buying it from some other brand. In between, before I am making that purchase, I got something to do, and I'm withdrawing my activity of doing the purchase right now. So I have moved on. What will happen? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, so I haven't completed my purchase at the first intent itself. Okay. I have just explored and I have moved on, and I have I have focused on to other activities right now. So I haven't made that purchase. So again, Google is missing out on the immediate sale option. So what Amazon will, or Amazon, whatever brand that will do right now is, they will go for the remarketing campaign. Remarketing campaign basically is like, I have visited a product in Amazon right now and I haven't made the purchase. And I am still in the bucket that I haven't made the purchase so far. Maybe if I get that ad, Amazon ad on this website right now, where I am basically searching a content, reading a content on the Times of India, and that ad will show up in here. The cycle, whichever I have visited.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that might be coming up. So if you have experienced that method, wherever you have visited a website and you haven't made that purchase, that product will keep on following you wherever you are going.
Okay, how long?
Again, there are multiple settings available in the campaign when you set up the campaign. Like for example, I want to keep promoting that product to that person for about 30 days or for about 7 days or for about until then he makes that purchase in my website. So those are settings that you can choose from the campaign itself. So based on that setting, that content will keep following the potential customer.
It has happened to me, sir, once.
Yeah.
When I was searching there, some sort of searching there, and then I just clicked that particular ad.
Right.
Immediately somebody called me up. I think you have browsed this ad, and what kind of help I could do for this?
Right. There are multiple options available in today's scenario. Like there are tools that will be able to pull out your lead information.
Information.
Yeah, based on that, they are making that immediate calls and then trying to convert you.
Correct.
So those type of marketing is called remarketing.
Remarketing, exactly. Okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
So again, remarketing can be implemented onto search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign.
Okay.
And I haven't shown you the video campaign. So right now I am into YouTube, and this section is basically a advertisement from Homeland. So this is a video campaign which they are trying to promote it on the top of the YouTube results. So if at all I am looking for interiors right now, I might be interested on this content. I will be able to explore it. So that ad will take me to the Homeland website, where I can explore more content related to my interior designing. If at all I am interested, I will be contacting them and I will be proceeding with my next steps. So these type of promotions or video promotions.
Even for if you want to buy a flat, there are many promoters are there. It will go there, then they will show the video completely how is it projected like that. Am I right?
Correct. This ad right now you are looking at It is basically a display campaign.
Display campaign. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Still, I am showing up on the YouTube network. But video campaigns are basically actual video campaigns that will get promoted in between the videos. When you play some video, you're still able to see that in-stream videos, right?
Yeah, I've seen the correct.
So those are video campaigns. You can choose your type of targeting, and you can choose your type of video channels where you want to show up that video. So those settings can be done in the campaign setup stage. Okay, and apart from that remarketing, you can able to measure your performance in Google AdWords platform itself. Like for example, how a specific ad copy has performed, how people are reacting to my keywords, how people are reacting to my videos. So these kind of understanding or insights you'll be able to get from the platform itself.
How do you possible, sir? How the people reacting? How is it possible? I may dislike it. I may not like it. There for this. How is it possible? You said reaction for this. Emotional appeal can be there. Can you see the emotional appeal in the buyer?
Not the emotional appeal, not the exact emotional appeal. Basically, when I say you will be able to find out these insights from the data that is available in platform.
Okay.
Say for example, my ad has been appeared for 100 times. Okay. Out of this 100 times, only 10 people have clicked my ad.
Okay.
So my click rate is basically 10%.
10%, correct.
So as per industry standard, my CTR should be at 30%.
Okay, 30%. 30 people should be clicked.
Correct.
Out of 100. Okay.
So my click rate should be at the 30.
Okay.
Whereas my actual campaign has performed at 10%, which means that my ad copy is not relevant to me, relevant to the audience, or my ad copy is not attracting the potential audience.
Okay.
So that's kind of the basic insight that we have to come up with the data that is being available in the platform.
Now, within the duration of?
Now again, the duration is basically decided by the company which is running the ad.
Now, for example, 1 month, if it is 30 people seen that, it's good. Or 1 month, if it is 30 or 40 people seen that, is good. Like that, the duration will be fixed by the company only. Am I right?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, right. Thank you, sir.
Now, this is not the exact numbers I am speaking about.
No, just example. Okay.
Yeah. So
fine.
that metrics and that benchmark numbers will differ for each industry and for each campaign type, and the kind of targeting that I am choosing.
Okay.
And apart from that, based on these insights, you can decide how well your campaign is performing, and you can tweak your campaign performance based on your understanding or based on your insights. So using Google Ads, you can also outrank your competitors. Like for example, if your competitor is actually playing up on the Google Ads section, you can also go and participate on the Google Ads, and then you can ethically steal your potential customers from your competitors by bidding higher or bidding more on your search terms.
Okay.
So these are all the benefits that you can get out of your AdWords platform. And these slides are nothing but the things that we have discussed right now. So just give you an example, I have done a cake delivery search query. For this cake delivery search query, I have given up with multiple listings. So this is called organic search result. That the green one highlighted is the organic listing, which is basically like free listing based on the quality of guidelines implemented on the website. Google decides your ranking, and based on the bidding, these paid results which are highlighted in red. So this again is defined by the guidelines that is prescribed by Google Ad Platform.
Sir, can you explain the bidding? How the bidding takes place? The ad, free
So,
ad, paid ad for bidding. You said like that.
Correct, sir. Correct. So,
sir, can I ask question? You don't mind it, am I right? When you are talking in between, I'm asking.
Please go ahead. Don't hesitate to stop me and
Okay.
not an issue. So So this is a slide which I'm showing you right now, where I'm giving a basic understanding of how the platform works. Okay. So the ad copy that you are building, right? The ad copy that you are promoting to the audience, that ad copy is being qualified by Google systems.
Okay.
And the relevancy of the keyword or the display copy is being read or is being evaluated by Google algorithms. So that quality is called as ad rank.
Okay.
Okay, so the ad rank is basically your CPC bid. CPC means cost per click bid. Cost per click basically means that how much I am willing to pay for a click when someone or a potential customer is clicking my ad.
Cross per click, huh? What is that?
Yeah, cost per click.
Cost per click, okay.
Yeah, if you look at this, example, Amazon is showing or bidding for this keyword, and just for an example, Amazon is willing to pay 100 rupees for this keyword. The highest bid I'm speaking about, not the exact amount. Okay. If at all I click Amazon listing, Amazon will be paying that 100 rupees to Google.
Oh, God.
No, that's an example amount I am giving you, sir.
Anyhow, whatever maybe things, one click, some cost is there. Am I right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So you pay only when someone is clicking on your ad. You are not paying for the impression that is showing up. When I mean impression, it is nothing but the display of this ad. So right now I have searched for keyword by Hercules cycle, and Google has given an impression to Amazon. This is one impression for Amazon. So Google is not charging Amazon for this impression. They charge Amazon only when I click this ad. Since I am paying for the click, the term CPC, cost per click, is associated.
Okay.
So it is easy to understand for you the concept called CPC.
Okay.
There are other modes of payment method, which is basically cost per impression. So Google will charge me based on a packet of impressions. Right now, Google is charging impressions for 1,000 packets. So if I get 1,000 impressions, I will be charged a certain amount for that impression. So that is,
sir, in the ad in the video, the subscribe. Many people are selling subscribe. More subscription required. Suppose 100 people click for the things, 1,000 people click, and they are eligible for getting the getting the cost for the things. What are the things? Am I right? That's also a part of the thing only.
Yeah, there are multiple ways of payment available in Google. Okay. One is the cost per click, one is the cost per impression model, and the other one is the cost per subscription model, and the other one is cost per install model. So cost per install model is basically whoever is running an app campaign. So how many number of people are installing that app, based on that Google will charge.
Good.
So basically you will pay for installation or pay for conversions.
Yeah. Pay for impression, like that. Pay for subscription. Okay.
Correct.
That's why he's a millionaire, billionaire, like that.
Yeah, sir, right. So how the CPC for a keyword is defined is basically there is a default bidding slab that is available from Google, and based on the number of participation for the keyword, the bidding changes.
Okay.
So for example, if there are 10 competitors bidding for the same keyword, based on the competitor's bidding value, your bidding will change.
Physiotherapy, pain reliever, headache, pain reliever. A keyword, pain reliever, headache, pain reliever is there. So how many people are bidding for the things? Accordingly, the bidding will be, basic bidding will be there for that. I mean, bidding for this much of amount, 5,000, for example, 5,000, 10,000, that will be fixed by the Google only. Am I right?
No, sir. Actually, the default bidding will be given by Google when you create that ad or when you set up the campaign.
Okay.
Say for example, the keyword that you have mentioned right now, the headache reliever.
Yeah.
Google will give you, say for example, 10 rupees for bidding. Or
Okay.
I am charging you 10 rupees to showcase, to promote you on for this keyword.
Okay.
And there is a competitor, competitor A, who is also willing to promote his website for this keyword.
Okay.
And right now, Google is giving me that 10 rupees is the bid value, but
Okay.
whereas the competitor A is bidding for 15 rupees.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
right now you are bidding for 10 rupees and he is bidding for 15 rupees. So Google will decide whom I have to promote in the first question.
Okay.
So here Google will go for the competitor A
Okay.
because he is willing to pay additional 5 rupees for the same keyword
Okay.
or for the same audience who is going to click your ad.
Mm-hmm.
So based on that potential availability for him or for Google will decide the position for the competitor.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, whether the participant B can also, competitor B can also rebid again if A is
Correct.
willing to pay 15 rupees and he is willing
Correct.
to
Right
offer
question.
for 20 rupees,
Exactly.
can he rebid again?
Exactly right. That is what I'm saying. It is an auction system. Whoever wants to participate and whoever wants to bid for the keyword, they can bid for that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah, it's right. Whether they have only one option or they can bid one or more, twice, thrice, the more
No,
number of times.
it is not like that. In order to overcome that scenario, Google has certain algorithms within themselves where they will decide the rank for competitor. Say for example, competitor A is bidding 10 rupees, competitor B is bidding 15 rupees, whereas competitor A is more authentic in the market and he has a very good quality score on his ad copy.
Mm-hmm.
So based on his quality of ad and based on his quality of relevance on the page, based on his content relevancy, he will get the added advantage in terms of getting the top position, even though he is bidding for only 10 rupees.
Will they see all those things, sir? Even quality of ad, quality of his ranking, quality of this product, so many things will they see also?
So here is the sample scenario,
Okay.
how Google will decide the positions and how Google will charge you based on the scenario.
Oh.
Say for example, advertiser 1 is bidding for a maximum bid of $2.
Okay.
And he has a quality score of 10.
Okay.
And his ad rank is basically the quality of content, ad copy and landing page, everything. So based on this, Google will promote this advertiser 1 in the first position, and Google will charge only $1.61, even though he has gone for $2 place bidding.
Excellent.
Okay, and advertiser 2 is actually bidding for $4, 100% higher than the advertiser 1, and he has a very low quality score. And the ad rank is only 16. Again, for the same keyword, and when a click is happening, he will be paying about $3.
Oh.
Sir, so, suppose if Amazon, let's say take the example of Amazon, Flipkart, they have a quality score of same and the ranking, everything okay. But Amazon is willing to pay $15, okay, and Flipkart is
Also willing to pay.
also willing to pay extra
So
big amount.
$18 is pay $18. Yes.
First they quoted $10, but after seeing Amazon they want to quote $20. Can they quote for it?
Yeah, they can go for it.
Okay, sir.
See,
That is the thing that I want to ask you. Whether they can once they bid and whether they can rebid again. That's the thing I want to ask you.
No, this bidding will keep on changing on a real-time basis. Okay. It doesn't mean that if Amazon is willing to pay the highest amount and they have the highest budget to be paid for that keyword, Google will keep on them as the first question is what you are trying to understand.
Yeah.
No, it is not like that. That first question and second question and third question or whatever position on the top, it will keep on rotating based on the algorithms. Okay, just because advertiser 1 is having all the qualities preferred, Google will not keep on advertiser 1 in the top position. First impression, for the first impression, advertiser 1 will be in the top position. For the second impression, advertiser 2 will be in the first position.
But quality of score is less, sir. The quality of score is less only. See,
Yeah,
first
quality of score is
less.
quality of score is less, but from the advertiser 1, Google will get 1.61 rupees.
Oh,
Sorry,
he's getting-
$1.61.
Okay, fine.
But from the advertiser 2, Google will get $3.01 dollar.
So ultimately, commercial motive is that I want more
Correct.
number game. It's only
Correct,
number
correct.
game only. Okay,
Correct.
right.
It's a number game. Google will keep on rotating their their listing. If at all a brand or if at all a business want to take advantage of this ranking system, they have to ensure that their quality in terms of ad copy and ad rank, everything has to be tweaked, or everything has to be optimized.
Understood, sir. Understood. Okay.
Yeah, new company cannot do these kinds of sort of things. They have to first improve their basic requirements and then they can bid for it.
But startup company is very difficult, sir. Startup company is very difficult. Am I right? To bidding.
Correct.
Established company, well-established company in the market, they can go for the bidding, and then they want to put their company brand in the first position in the first page.
Exactly right.
Okay.
Exactly right.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Obviously, the established brands and brands which have the highest budget value, they will be still dominating the positions or dominating the market. Still, if you want to take up the advantage of Google Ads, you will be able to do that, provided if you are able to optimize your ads, landing pages, copies, everything else.
So the ad cost will be more for them.
Correct.
The ad cost will be more for them compared to budding people are there. Okay. Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you. Good.
No problem, sir. No problem. So this is how the Google bidding system works, and this is how Google decides whom I have to show up in the first question, whom I have to charge what. These are all basic algorithms or basic understandings. This is not the exact thing happening on back end of platform. These are understandings.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Good, sir.
No problem. Okay. I think in order for us to start the Google AdWords, these are all the things which is basically needed. One is the website. Without a website, you will not be able to go for Google Ads. And apart from that, you need keywords or the display copy. In terms of display campaigns, you need a banner or creative like this. In terms of video campaign, you need video content. In terms of app campaigns, you need an app. So without a website, you will not be able to go for a search campaign or for a shopping campaign or a display campaign.
Okay.
Even a video campaign. So Google Ads is basically known for search ads. Why? Because most of the people today online goes for Google search. So, and Google has about some 70% of market share when it comes to search engine traffic. So search campaigns are the major campaign for Google Ads, and you need to set up the ad copy and landing page on the campaigns when you set up the campaign. So without this running the campaign is not possible.
So you mean to say keyword is very important thing.
Correct. Keyword is a building block.
Vital factor for this success of this promotion.
Correct. Why keyword is a building block is basically like if you have seen, instead of buy Hercules cycle, if I have went for Hercules cycle, my intention is different.
Okay.
I might be looking to research Hercules brand.
Okay.
I might be looking to find more content related to Hercules cycle. So the intent based on the searcher's intent is what we have to look up when building the campaign. The most crucial part in terms of finding out the relevancy of keywords that you are promoting is the key point in running a successful campaign.
Normally, this will be advised by the ad industry. Am I right, sir?
Right,
Then the
right.
ad industry or digital marketing industry, they'll give that this is a keyword so that it will be promote your product like that.
Correct. In our own languages, we call this as a generic keyword, which means that when the keyword is not clear with the intent, that is a generic keyword.
But keyword can be changed there. Keyword can be changed. If it is not successful, we can change the keyword.
Yeah, you can always change it.
Change the keyword. Okay, fine. Right.
Yeah. So keyword is a crucial part in terms of search campaign.
Okay.
Finding out or going ahead with the keywords is the strategy that we are going to implement. Or we have to ensure that our budget is not wasted. For example, imagine if I haven't defined my keyword, or I'm promoting or I'm having a cycle as a keyword for my ads. Someone who is searching for cycle, still my ad shows up. Right?
Yeah.
And I'm not very sure what that person is actually looking for. Whether that person is looking to buy my product, or whether that person is looking for some other product. So based on that keyword selection, we will be able to make proper use of our budget.
Okay. Right.
If I'm not properly optimizing those keywords and properly choosing those keywords, my chances of wasting my budget is higher.
Yes, correct. You are right. Correct.
Yeah. So I might be attracting irrelevant traffic. I might be attracting people who are not interested in my plan. I might be attracting people who are not interested in my product. Or
unnecessarily we have to pay money for the Google.
Yeah,
without
right.
any revenue.
Correct. Whenever a click is happening, it will automatically get debited from the
account. Okay, fine. Client account. Yeah. Fine. Correct. Very interesting.
Yeah. So keywords and in terms of display campaign and video campaigns, the selection of placements. For example, if I am going for a display campaign, Times of India is a better placement for me, because the most likely my targeted audience will be exploring in this website or finding content in this website. In that perspective, displaying my ads in this website is pretty much relevant, which means that my impression cost will not be wasted.
Oh. Okay.
Imagine there are some other websites like download ringtones.
Ringtones, okay.
Okay, there is no advertisements available in this website.
You can go some other thing, some other ringtone.
So here, if you look, there is a advertisement from Texas.
Okay.
Texas Center. So they are they have gone for display campaign without any restrictions on the placements. So here on the Pro Kerala section, their ad is getting displayed. Imagine if they have gone for impression based payment mode. This impression is actually wasted. So they are basically paying money for this wasted impression.
Okay.
Why? Because my intention is not related to learning right now.
Okay.
I'm actually trying to download a ringtone.
Now, what is the purpose of this impression, sir? In fact, if no user, what is the purpose of this impression?
Now, there are settings that is available in campaign setup.
Okay.
Where we have to restrict a campaign to not to promote on these websites.
Oh, okay.
If your campaign setup is not set up properly, there are chances that your budget is getting wasted.
Okay, fine.
So when it comes to display campaign, YouTube campaign, and app campaign, the placements is the key.
Okay.
Like for search campaigns, the keywords is the key. When it comes to display or video campaign or app campaign, the placements is the crucial part. Okay, since we are looking at the search campaign right now, how we can restrict or choose our keywords and ensure that our budget is not wasted, there are certain methods where you can choose. Like for example, in keyword section, there is a option called keyword match types. Or this is basically a strategy where you choose your keywords. So keywords.
Sir, if you, just out of curiosity, I'm asking you, both the competitors using the same keywords, how it will apply because based on this, bidding amount only. Both the competitors, both the person use the same keyword. For example, a headless keyword. I am also using headless keyword. He is also using headless keyword.
Correct.
How it will be reflected?
How it will be reflected in the sense I am not able to understand that properly.
No, two people are using the same keyword. Flipkart
Correct.
also using the same keyword, and Amazon also using the same keyword.
Right.
Which will be, going for this. Ad will be there for that.
No. Both Amazon and Flipkart will be given the opportunity of showing up for that keyword. Only the ranking will be different.
Okay, fine.
For
Right.
example, if I go for by iPhone 11, here Apple is showing up for the same keyword. Amazon is showing up for the same keyword.
Only bidding amount will differ. Am I right? Who is the higher bidder? That will be displayed.
Correct.
Isn't it, sir?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, right,
So
sir. Thank
Apple is showing up in the first position. Since Apple is a brand of Apple brand itself,
Okay.
then even though their bidding is lower, still they will get the first position. But whereas in case of Amazon, Apple is actually a marketplace. Sorry, Amazon is a marketplace for Apple phone.
Okay.
Okay, so their bidding will be different for the same keyword.
Okay.
Which means that the default bidding value is there, right?
Okay.
Which will be decided by Google. That default bidding value is not same for all the competitors or all the participants.
Fine.
So that default bidding is based on the competitor's quality.
Okay.
Quality in terms of ad copy, relevancy for that keyword, their relevancy in terms of content and the landing page.
My goodness. Okay. Right. Understood. Please.
Default bidding for, say, for example, I'm a brand A. For this, by Apple iPhone 11, I might be getting a default bidding value of 10 rupees.
Okay.
For the same keyword, competitor B will be getting a different default bidding price. He will not get the same 10 rupees bidding value.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This default bidding value is decided based on the participating websites or brands quality.
So that will be decided by Google. Default bidding will be decided by Google. Okay. Right. Understood. Okay.
Yeah. So based on that bidding, your position, ad rank position will be decided. Based on that ad rank position and the clicks, your cost per click will be decided.
Yes. Okay.
So it all happens based on the back end of the platform using their own algorithms, which is not known.
Algorithms and also the research study. Am I right? They got the research backup will be there for them.
Yeah, right.
Okay, sorry. Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. So again, when you choose the quality or relevancy of your ads and the relevancy of your keywords, you have options to restrict the ad promotions or ad impressions with the options of keyword matches. There are about 4 types of keyword matches, which is basically exact match, phrase match, broad match, and broad modifier match.
My goodness. Okay.
Okay, using these options, you can control for which keyword your ad has to show up. So for exact match, I've taken this keyword as a sample, where if I am a brand who wants to promote my helium balloons, and I have gone for exact match. When someone is searching for helium balloons, this is the exact match. My ad will show up.
That is it.
No, I'm just giving an example.
Okay.
Okay, there is no my ad.
Okay, fine.
This is exact match means when I search for.
Sir, this is at times, or it will match accordingly. They'll keep the keyword like this.
No. I tell to Google that I want to show up for keywords only that are exact match.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so when someone is searching for helium balloons exactly the way that I have given, Google will show up my results. Google will promote my advertisement.
Excellent.
In the same scenario, someone is searching for helium balloons price. Here, my rule of telling Google that not to show my ad when someone is searching for helium balloons price.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Google will not show my ad to this person.
So this will be decided by the company, am I right?
Correct, sir, correct. When I am setting that campaign,
they decide by the company not to show the price. I want only the product features only, not
correct.
to show the price. When they ask the price, at the time we'll show that. Am I right?
No. It is not like that. Since I have chosen the keyword price you are asking me. Say, for example, in this case, I am searching for helium balloons near me.
Okay.
Here, the key phrase near me is added to the keyword.
Okay.
My keyword is actually helium balloons.
Okay.
Whereas as a searcher, I have added additional keywords as near me to the keyword.
Okay.
So this is a keyword which is not fulfilling my rule as per Google Adwords algorithm or Google Adwords rules. Because I have set up the campaign that show my ads only when someone is searching for the exact keyword helium balloons. Where here I am searching for helium balloons near me. So that rule is not passed, or the rule is not achieved. So Google will not show my ad for this person.
Oh, okay.
So when my rule is not passed, Google will not show my ad.
Oh, okay.
So I am setting that rule using this special character.
Helium balloons near me, or helium balloons some place, near a place, India, something like this you should add, then only it will display here. Am I right?
No, when I go for this exact match as helium balloons, Google will not show my ads to that person who is searching for helium balloons in India.
Near me. Okay, fine.
Google balloons in Chennai. Someone is searching for Google balloons in Chennai. My ad will not show.
Oh.
Because I have asked Google to show my ad only to people who are searching for helium balloons alone.
So if I want to search in Chennai like that, what will you do?
Okay. There is a match preference called phrase match.
Phrase match, okay.
Yeah. So here I am setting a rule to. I am telling a rule to Google that when someone is searching for added phrases to my keyword, then show up my ad. For example, here that my ad will show up for keywords like buy helium balloons. When someone searches for buy helium balloons, my ad will show up. When someone searches for helium balloons delivered, my ad will show up. When someone searches for helium balloons in Chennai, still my ad will show up. Here the rule is keep my keyword helium balloons into the search term. So whatever additional terms that is added to the keywords will trigger my ad. Here I don't have to add all those keywords into my campaign.
Okay.
Right. So when your ad will get triggered is basically the keywords that you feed into the system or feed into the campaign. If you don't have the helium balloons as a keyword in your campaign, your ad will not trigger.
Okay. Mere balloon also will not trigger. Even if you type mere balloons, it will not trigger. Am I right?
Again, it depends on the match type that I have chosen. If
No,
I
that's why
have,
you have chosen there helium balloon. I typed as balloon.
yeah, when I set my strategy as exact match, and someone is searching for balloons,
But helium balloon will come.
no, because I have set the rule as show my ad only when someone is searching for helium balloons.
Helium balloons. Okay, right, understood. Right.
Okay. So that rule is not fulfilled. So Google will not show my ad.
Excellent.
Yeah. So that is exact match. And phrase match is something like I don't know the combination of keywords, how the user will key into the search engine. So based on the user's combinations, I have understood the concept that above the search term can be constructed, but the term helium balloon will be on the whole keyword. So I am deciding that helium balloon as a phrase match.
Okay.
So the combinations will be decided by the users. It will not be decided by the system.
Okay.
But here the rule is that whatever the combination might be, my ad should get triggered only when this condition meets. That the search keyword should have helium balloons.
Okay.
And when I go for a phrase match, here I have shown you an example that helium filled balloons.
Helium filled balloons. Okay.
Yeah. So this is a keyword that has both helium and as well as balloons, which is part of my condition.
Okay, fine.
Here, phrase match is helium balloons. Okay. But whereas user has searched for helium filled balloons.
Because two words are there, helium and balloons are there, it will be matched and it will search for these things.
Correct, but my ad will not show up for this keyword.
Very strict.
Because my order of keyword is first helium, then balloons.
In between, if I type anything, as I write is helium filled balloon, if I type there, it will not be displayed.
Correct, it will not display.
What is these rules? Are very stringent. As a layman, how do you say all those things? My goodness.
No, you will get used to it only when you set up the campaign and start. Start using the ads.
Okay.
Because you need to have control over when your ad should get triggered, right?
Okay.
That control is what Google is giving us with this setups.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, and there is a match called broad match.
Okay.
Broad match is like I don't add any additional characters to the keyword. I just simply add helium balloons. Okay, and Google decides whatever keyword. Google decides the condition for this keyword trigger for this ad triggering. Whatever keywords that are relevant to this keyword that Google decides will get my ad triggered.
Okay.
Say for example, here my keyword is actually helium balloons, whereas a searcher is searched for helium balloons for parties. So Google thinks that this keyword is relevant to this search, then it will trigger my ad.
Okay. Broad match means anything added along with the keywords that will display there. Am I right, sir?
Correct.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Here, if you see this example, there is a search called inflatable balloons. Okay, still my ad will get triggered for this keyword.
Helium balloons inflated.
No. If you look at the screen, I have highlighted only the inflatable balloons.
Okay.
But whereas I have given the keyword only helium balloons as a broad match.
Okay.
Still my ad will show up because I have set my keyword as a broad match.
Okay, that is also required. Okay. Many people will go for broad match, sir. How do you feel? Many will go for broad match only or specific thing?
When it comes to building brand awareness, you can go for broad match.
Broad match, okay.
Which is basically like you want to build that brand awareness.
Okay.
You don't set any criteria for immediate conversions. Say, for example, you are a startup company and you want to promote your brand to as many people as possible. You go for this broad match keywords. So whoever is searching related to these keywords, they will get to know about your business.
Okay.
Okay, and when I want to be very specific that I don't want to build a brand awareness, I just want to increase my sales, then I will go for a specific keywords. I will not be going for generic keywords. I will not be going for broad match keywords.
Can we say a very high-tech premium product, or for example, very high-tech premium product, only specific audience is required? At the time, you can go for only specific words, keywords should be used there. Am I right?
Correct,
I want specific target audience only. I cannot, the manufacturer should go and select the customers rather than the customer should select the product. If that is being the case, the broad match will not be applicable for that.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
And apart from these three types of keyword matches, there is another match called modified broad match. Modified broad match is similar to your exact match and phrase match, but here you have a condition that whatever the combination might be, but that combination of keywords should have both the words that I am mentioning. For example, here I am giving inflatable balloons, and a user is searching for balloons inflated with helium. So the condition here is actually fulfilling, and my ad will get triggered.
Okay,
and someone is searching for best balloon inflation techniques. Okay, here inflatable balloons, both are conditions that I have set. But whereas the order of word, my order of word is first inflatable, then balloons. Still, my ad will trigger for this keyword.
Since it fulfills the keywords, am I right?
Yeah. I am setting the condition that whatever the combination might be, whatever the order might be, but the keyword could have both of these keywords. Then only trigger my ad is what the condition that I am setting for this.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So these kind of controls and settings is what we are trying to set up in the campaigns. So in order for us to control how and when and for what keywords the ad should trigger is what we are trying to achieve with this match types. Okay. So apart from that, there is other things which we have to ensure is that the bidding strategy. Bidding strategy is basically like how I want to bid for the keyword. Again, like we have seen earlier, bidding is based on your quality in terms of keyword relevancy and as well as in terms of landing page copy relevancy. You will be able to see these informations in the platform. Based on that, you can bid for the specific keyword.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
If you don't mind, can you go for break and come back?
Yeah, please, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay. With your permission. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello all. Can you resume the session? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Anybody have any doubt on the keywords match types? Nobody has any doubts?
Okay.
Okay. So let me go to the presentation. So far we have seen what is Google AdWords and how we can promote our ads using the Google AdWords. Why we have to go for Google AdWords? What are all the type of campaigns that is available in AdWords, and what type of controls I have in triggering my ads is what we have seen so far. Just to give you an basic understanding of how the platform would be to be working with is what I'm showing you or sharing with the screen. So this is how the platform will be looking like once you log into the platform. This is just an overview of the campaign. If anybody has any doubts, please don't hesitate to stop and raise a question. So this is a basic overview of the platform, which will give me number of clicks happened and number of impressions, how much I have paid for each click, and what is the total cost I have spent for a specific period that I choose from. Here I can choose the period which I want to see this kind of insights, like how much I have spent, what is the clicks that I have spent for, and what is the impression that I have received. And the platform is designed in a way where you can see the insights by section wise. I'm going to the campaign section. So this gives me that I'm running a campaign called online cake delivery, and I have set a budget of rupees 500 per day. So this campaign has delivered me about 272 clicks out of 1,800 impressions. 1,800 impressions in the sense 1,800 times people have searched for keywords related to me or keywords that I have chosen for, and out of this 272 people have clicked my ads. So that percentage is about 15.09%. So this CTR is something very important in terms of optimizing your spend and ensuring that you are not spending on irrelevant keywords or reducing your wasted spends. So when 15% of CTR is something good for any industry, here I have spent about rupees 21 for each click, which is like cost per click is, my average cost per click is 21 rupees, which means that when I say average CPC, I haven't spent 21 rupees for each clicks. Sometimes based on my bidding and my competitor bidding, I might have paid higher than this CPC. Sometimes I might have paid very lesser CPC for a click. But on the whole, my average CPC for this 272 clicks is 21 rupees. Is anybody able to understand what I'm explaining right now? Nobody has any doubts on this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Yes.
So which means that for all 272 clicks, I have paid 21 rupees is what you are understanding?
Whether it is for a month or a day, sir, per day?
Here I have selected for all time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if I select for only last 30 days, my last 30 days performance will show up here.
Okay.
This is a sample account. I'm just showing it for your understandings.
Okay,
So this has been run a long time ago. That is why I have gone for all time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here, what were you able to understand? So do you understand that I have paid 21 rupees for each click?
Yes, averagely you have paid 21.9 rupees.
So when you mean average, what do you understand?
That for each click you have paid.
Yeah, that is what I have explained to you. It is not that I have paid 21 rupees for each click.
Okay.
Okay, for one click I have paid 21 rupees. For another click I have paid only 10 rupees. For another click I might have paid about 70 rupees.
Yes, sir. But in case of average, it means it's sort of you paid 21 rupees. But
Right.
in the real time, you have paid lesser, higher or lower.
Okay, let me go to the keywords part where you will be able to understand why that average CPC is coming up. So here, let me go to ad groups first. I have multiple ad groups. Out of this, I'm going to one ad group. So in this ad group, I have about 19 keywords. So here it is showing up. 19 keywords is like, I have cake delivery in Chennai as a broad modifier, sorry, phrase match.
Okay, sir.
So this keyword, cake delivery in Chennai, has received about 513 impressions for the period that I have selected. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for this keyword, I have paid about 21 rupees for each click.
Okay. So, and
Okay.
I can now understand, sir, clearly.
Yeah. For other, there is another keyword called Chennai online cake delivery. For this keyword, I have received around 120 impressions. Out of this 120 impressions, I have received only 16 clicks. For each click, I have paid around some 17 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how the keywords will get participating in the bidding, and based on our bidding and based on the user intention, our clicks will happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Again, why I want to show you a section called search terms. You just see this keyword like cake delivery in Chennai, right?
Yeah.
So this keyword might have triggered some other keywords. So cake delivery in Chennai. It is an exact match, close variant to the keyword that I have keyed in. Okay. And there is another keyword called online cake delivery in Chennai.
Okay.
So this is
The related matches to that
correct.
your main
This keyword is
keyword.
actually a phrase match to the keyword that I have given, cake delivery in Chennai.
Okay, sir.
So this is a keyword which fulfills my condition. So for this, Google has shown up my ad, and this keyword is exactly searched by 78 people, or 78 impressions is what delivered to my keyword. Out of this
Implants.
78, yeah, 78 times my ad got displayed.
Okay.
That is actually impression.
Okay. Out of it, 9
Okay.
members click the
Yeah, 9 was the clicks happened. So for each click, I have paid around 22 rupees.
Okay.
Okay.
But no
And
conversions are being made.
yeah, there is a column called conversions. Conversions is basically people who have visited my website and made a purchase on the website first time itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, cake delivery Chennai keyword has generated about 5 clicks or 5 users to my website. Out of this 5 users, 2% has made a purchase on my website.
Okay.
Okay, so for each sale, I have spent about 62 rupees. Got it?
Repeat it, sir. Voice is not clear.
Sorry, boy, I couldn't able to understand you.
Can you repeat it, sir? The last.
Nothing. For a total of 5 clicks, okay,
Okay.
I have paid 125 rupees.
Okay, sir.
For each click, I have paid 25 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, and I have received around 2 conversions.
Okay, sir.
2 conversions in the sense 2 sales.
Okay.
For each sale, I have spent about 62 rupees.
You spent around.
Meaning my total spend is actually 125 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this 125 rupees divided by 2 conversions
Okay.
is 62 rupees, which means that to make the 2 sales, I have spent 125 rupees.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
So for each sale, I have spent 62 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Okay, for each person to drive into my store, I have spent about 25 rupees.
Yes.
Got it, right?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Okay, so why this search terms is basically I have set the keyword strategy to phrase match, right?
Okay.
This is the keyword that I have key into Google, or basically I have asked Google to promote my ads.
Okay, sir.
Okay, based on this criteria, Google has shown up these ads to these keywords.
Okay.
If you look at this keyword, online cake delivery in Chennai, this keyword will not be in my search keywords. Right?
Yes.
Why? Because why still Google is showing up my ad to those audience is basically that keyword is fulfilling my condition of phrase match.
Yes. Somewhat relevant to your main keyword.
Yeah, right. Not somewhat relevant to it is actually fulfilling the condition.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So since that condition is fulfilled, Google has shown my ad to these users. Similarly, there are other keywords as well. Like for example, if you look at here, birthday cake order online Chennai.
Correct.
Okay. This is not actually phrase match that has fulfilled my condition, but still it is a close variant to my phrase match. Right? Oh.
Sir. Yes.
Yeah. So if you look at my search keywords, I have given only 19 keywords, right?
Yeah.
I have asked Google to show my ads only to these 19 keywords, right?
Okay.
But
Yes, sir.
if you look at the search terms, there are about 81 keywords.
Yeah. Which
So
are
Google has
related
shown,
to relevant
Google
to.
has shown my ads to these 81 keywords.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, ma.
sir, it is a shopping website, sir. Cost,
Shopping ads. Go ahead, ma.
cost or conversation for other website, what will be displayed, sir?
Can you come again?
The cost or conversion ஒரு இருக்குல்ல sir?
Right.
What will be displayed for other websites, sir?
No. This cost per conversion is for this business, right? I am showing you a sample of my old accounts, which is Happy Returns. Okay.
Okay, sir.
There are other accounts which I am not supposed to show you as an example here on the online platform. Okay, there are other accounts which has shopping ads as well.
Okay, sir.
There, like the way how I have chosen this search keywords, there are products that you have to upload to the platform, Google platform. Okay. For example, let me show you. So this is a product, okay?
Okay, sir.
So Amazon is actually selling this product in Google AdWords shopping ads.
Okay, sir.
Right? So this product will be added as a list in Google. There is a section called shopping products. That since this account is not a shopping ad account, that section is not available here. Available in the platform to see. Okay. There is a section called shopping products. On that section, you will be able to upload these products through Google Merchant Center. So when you upload this product, you upload certain parameters along with this product, like product title, product price, product availability, product shipping information, product shipping country, product currency, etc. There are certain templates which you need to follow to upload this product to the Google platform. Once that product has been reviewed by Google, that product will get approved by Google, and then Google will start promoting this product. So that product will get listed like this. Say, for example, instead of Chennai online cake delivery, Hercules Captain Rhino product will be here.
Okay, sir.
Against that product, how many impressions you have received, how many clicks you have received, what is the CPC that you have paid for each click, and what is the total cost you have paid for that product, and what is the conversion that has happened out of this product is what you will get.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Similarly, you will get for display campaigns as well. One second, let me see whether there is any display campaigns. No, there is no any display campaign. If at all any display campaign available, no problem. But anyway, similarly, the display campaign is also will show you, instead of keywords, your ad copy will show up here.
Okay, sir.
Your ad copy will show up as a thumbnail here, and you will be able to see the dimension of the thumbnail. Based on the data and analysis, you will be able to understand which dimension and which ad copy has generated how many clicks and how many conversions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is how the platform will help you in terms of setting up your campaign and promoting your content to the relevant audience and increase your sales and all. In terms of structure of campaigns and setting up the campaigns and adding your keywords and choosing your target audience, choosing your locations, those comes under the campaign setup. And I think campaign setup can be taken forward for tomorrow's class. Today, anybody has any doubts on this platform sessions? Yeah, there is another section I want to show you all, which is called Auction Insights.
So can you just briefly say 2 words about landing page, sir? Here in landing pages.
Okay,
How it differs from others? Just that's all.
Okay. Nothing. Landing page is nothing but the page that you have on the website. Only thing is why you want to go out with a separate landing pages. Sometimes, for example, in this case, Amazon has a directory page for comfort bikes. This is actually a store page, which means that this page will have only the comfort bikes.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, there is another directory, or this directory is under cycles. So if I go to that cycles directory, that directory will list me all the products under the cycle store.
Cycle store, okay.
Yeah, so there is kit cycle, there is mountain bikes, there is road bikes, there is electric bicycles.
So all types of bikes will be stored in the cycle stores.
Correct. That's a cycle directory or cycle store.
Okay, cycle store, okay.
Yeah, okay. So if say for example, I want to promote only the mountain bikes.
Okay.
Okay. So I will go for this directory.
Okay.
Okay. Now, since it is a directory page that is built from the background of this website, I don't have control over this products.
Okay.
I might not want to promote all the products. Okay. I might want to promote only certain products.
Or exclusively one product. Exclusively only one product.
Correct. If I want to promote only one specific product, I don't have to have control over choosing that in the current page. So for overcoming that challenge, I am creating a separate page at the back end where I will include that single product or the preferred product. Anybody able to follow me?
Don't worry at all. I'm following.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir.
No problem.
Sir, everybody is following, sir. Everybody is following. The hesitant to ask question. I am the only person asking question. That's all.
Okay, got it, sir. No problem. So I am creating that landing page in order to have control over the content of the landing page.
So in the landing page only, the person can control the web ads. Am I right?
No, not just on the landing page. I will still be able to have control over this directory page.
Okay.
I'm giving that as an example.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So why I am going for that landing page is basically to have control over the content, and as well as I want to track down. I want to track down specifically how many people have come through this campaign and what is the performance of this campaign.
Okay.
Okay. So in order for me to track that, I have to imagine you are walking into a supermarket.
Okay.
Right? And you have multiple sections of products available in a single store. How will be the store manager able to understand which section of my store is actually doing good?
Okay.
So for that specific purpose, I am creating a separate store.
Okay.
Okay. I am creating a separate room, or I am allocating a separate division in my store for a specific product or a specific brand category.
So how many people are going under it, touching, how many people are visiting, how many people are going buying the product, that can come in the landing page. Exclusively, I can keep in track with this whole thing.
Correct, exactly right. I will be able to get those insights. So in order for me to track down that specific insights and specific details, I'm creating those landing pages.
Oh, okay. But most of the landing pages, this is my point of view. Mostly the landing pages can be used when you go for product launch or new product development.
Exactly right. Exactly. Previously, I was just giving you the basic understanding of why we have to go for the landing pages.
Okay.
How businesses are using these landing pages is like, imagine the same scenario where that store wants to attract only the loyal customers to a pre-launching product. They want to pre-launch a product only to the loyal customers, or customers who are in a certain community, like a club or something, loyalty club or something. They want to pre-launch this product only to the specific community or specific audience.
Okay.
So they will invite those audience to that specific store, which will not be available for general audience or general walk-in customers who are coming into the store.
Okay.
So that group of audience get that privilege to see that product privately, or see that experience that product privately before the general audience can get used to that product.
Okay.
Which means that basically you don't want to let that content available for all.
Sir, I need a clarification. Suppose a big supermarket is there, a gig mall is there. In the mall, if I go to go separate, how do I know this landing page for this particular segment or particular division? Suppose in the big mall, Walmart is a Walmart product has been stored in this particular division or particular space like that. So they want to know how many people are come here and then selected my product or experienced my product. How do the others will know what sort of a link they will have it?
Okay, so in the real world scenario, you will not direct all the users to this landing page or this private store, right?
Okay.
You will tell them, or you will invite to them. You will send an invite to them that there is a pre-launch happening in my store, and this is the place, or this is the number of store where you have to visit and check the pre-launch.
Okay.
Pre-launch offer, whatever something.
Okay.
So that it will right. In the
otherwise, general.
On the digital side, you send those users only who are clicking on your paid ads, right?
Okay, correct.
So only people who are coming to your website through that paid ads will be able to view that website or that landing page.
Okay, fine. Excellent, sir.
That landing page will not be available for all.
That is what I want the point. Landing page is not available for all. Okay.
Correct. That again.
How do you know specified customer? I am a specified customer for them. How do I know how they will find out? I am the person. How do they find out?
So you are that person, right?
Yeah.
You might have searched for buy Air Plus cycle, right?
Okay.
So imagine that this page is not available for general public from Amazon.
Okay.
Since you have searched for buy Air Plus cycle, you will be able to come to this landing page.
Oh, fine. That's good.
Okay. Yeah, right. This is not an actual landing page where they have the control kind of thing.
Only for specified particular customers only, not for all. It's not for general public.
Correct. For paid customers, I will have a separate landing page. For general public, I will have a separate landing page in the organic listing. Say, for example, here, the organic listing of Amazon has Air Plus cycling sports, right?
Okay.
So from my analytics platform, I will be able to understand people whoever has come to this URL or have come through the organic listing.
Okay.
And there is another paid listing from Amazon itself.
Okay.
If you look at the listing of products, both pages are different pages, right?
It's not there. You're not displaying that.
Right. So I will be able to understand people whoever has explored this page have come through my paid marketing.
Oh, understood.
Yeah. So this details or this kind of insights will be available from Google Analytics, which again is a platform from Google to understand how people have reached out to your website and how they are behaving inside your website and how they are exploring your content on the website.
Today only, I know about the landing. Previously, they were explaining to me that. I'm sorry, my mind does not permit me, or it has not gone to my mind.
Okay.
Previously, they explained. Previous 5 sessions, first 2 sessions, they explained about landing page.
Okay.
But, I was grouping in the dark. Really, I'm telling you that. Now I understood. Okay, now understood. Very good.
No problem,
Good
sir. No
explanation.
problem.
Thank you.
See,
Thank you very much.
nothing but landing page is nothing but to have control over content and to understand certain things, which
Oh,
like
okay.
how people are behaving to certain content and how people are behaving to certain content.
Fine, sir.
Like I mentioned, if you want to have certain insights on how people are seeing or engaging with my brand or with my product is something which you want to gather out of this landing page.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Excellent, sir. Good.
No problem, sir. No problem. So since we have looking into the platform, I am showing you a section called Auction Insights. This
Okay.
Auction Insights is something like Google is giving you how you have performed against your competitor.
Okay.
So for example, this you is me. Okay, basically this business. And I have performed against these other competitors as well for the keywords that I have keyed in. So as discussed, I have about some 19 keywords.
Okay.
Okay, this 39 keywords is all put together, all campaigns and all AdWords, ad groups put together. There was only one ad group, right? I will go to that one specific ad group. I will show you. So on this one ad group, I have about 19 keywords.
Okay.
For this 19 keywords, I have received about 60% of the share.
Okay.
Okay, say for example, for this 19 keywords, there are about total impressions of 1,151 keywords, right? So Google is telling me that I have received about 65% of impressions, right?
Okay.
I am taking as 151 out of 65%. So actual impressions was about 1,700.
Okay.
Which means that only possible potential for these keywords is that only 770 times I could have been promoted.
எல்லாம் போய் ஒன்னு பேசாத காஃபில உங்க ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் பேச காஃபி.
Hello?
Yeah.
So my potential is around 1,700.
Okay, but
Out of this 1,700, I have received about 1,151 impressions.
impressions. Okay.
Okay. Out of this 1,115 impressions, %79% of the time I was in the top of the page. It means that so this section is called top of the page section.
Okay.
Yeah. So Google has page to promote your business or promote your service. This is the top of the section. On the right hand side, you see the shopping list, right? Instead of shopping list, you still will see ads in your right hand side, right? Right now, that right hand side display is moved to the bottom of the page.
Okay.
So instead of product, I will give you a service.
Specialty service. Probably you can say specialty service.
Yeah, I'm just giving you that. So if you look at this, I am searching for a service, right? So on top, there are about 1-2 listings. So LinkedIn is showing up in the first position. Infinix is showing up in the second position. Followed by, there is another company called Brain Plus, which is shown up in the bottom of the page. Right? So
I'm unable to see.
And no screen.
Not screen.
No screen, sir.
Not seeing.
Okay, once again.
You only action insights only.
Sorry, sir.
The display shows only auction insights.
So option and insights is what only you are showing, huh? Okay, one
What
second.
you explained to me there, nothing has been shown there.
Okay, one second. Let me.
Okay. No problem.
So if you see, I have searched for now. Are you able to see my window, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I have searched for digital marketing services.
Okay.
So here, first LinkedIn is showing up, followed by Infinix is showing up, and then Google's rich snippets are showing up, and then local listing is showing up. At the bottom of the page, you are seeing a Prime Plus listing.
Okay.
This is a paid listing, but they are showing up at the bottom of the page.
Okay.
Okay, so this is bottom of the page, and this is top of the page.
Correct.
Okay. Now, out of this 60% of impression share that I have received, 80% of the time I was in the top of the page.
Okay.
Okay, and 18% of the time I was at the top of the position.
Many people viewed. Am I right?
Sorry, sir?
That is, many people have viewed that page.
Yeah, many people have viewed. What I'm trying to say is, I got about 60% of the market share or impression share.
Okay. Fine.
Out of this 60% of market, for example, I have received around 1,115 impressions, right?
Okay.
So 1,115 times I was displayed for the keywords.
Okay.
And out of the 1,015 times, only 80% of the time I was at the top of the page.
Excellent.
And again, only 20% of the time I was in the first position. Which means that right now, Infinix is at the second position, right?
Maybe a second question or third question, is that?
Correct. Exactly right. Which means that I haven't got 60% of impression share on the first position itself. Only 18% of the time I was in the first position. 80%, close to 80% of the time I was in the top of the page, but absolute top of the page is basically like, this is the absolute top of the page. Here I was promoted only 18% of the time.
Okay.
But whereas in the top of the results, which means that first question or second question or third question, I was promoted 80% of the time. This is for me. Similarly, I will be able to understand my competitors' performance as well. In this case, for example, F&P was receiving about 80% of the share, impression share. Again, they were promoted in the top of the page for 97%, which means that out of 1,000 impressions I have received, they were in the top, again, above me. They were the ones who was promoted higher than me. And again, at the first question, they were receiving about 61%. So you will be able to get this kind of competitor insights in the auction insights section.
Okay, sir.
This auction insights section is available only for the search campaigns. This is not available for any other campaigns like display campaign, video campaign, or shopping campaigns. This data is not being offered by Google right now. Again, I think there are certain changes happening on this data from Google recently. This search terms report is something which will give you an understanding of what kind of keywords has triggered your ads and what kind of keywords is actually performing.
Sir, I have a clarification, sir.
Yeah.
If I type my name, Professor Dr. V. Raghuraman, Oman, it comes to number of pages. First page, second page, third page, it comes to there. A lot of things coming there. That indicates what? I didn't do anything else from my side.
What is the
Why
keyword?
don't you type it out, please?
Yeah. What is the keyword?
Professor, PROF, Dr. V. Raghuraman. Not full professor, PROF only. V. Raghuraman. It's just sample. You can do, no problem at all. Raghuraman, Oman. Okay, see here, sir.
Okay.
Is sample for me. Just see.
The
How to
first one.
analyze it?
The first one is it.
Yeah, first one.
Okay, this is actually LinkedIn profile, sir.
Okay.
So your LinkedIn profile is being optimized for this keyword.
Which keyword?
Dr. V. Raguraman. Professor Dr. V. Raguraman. The exact keyword is present in the LinkedIn profile.
Okay.
So if you look at this, the Professor Raguraman is highlighted, right?
Okay.
So Doctor keyword DR and V are something like a single phrase or single word, single character keywords, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So Google will eliminate those kind of keywords, and Google will be able to understand what the searcher's intent is.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So based on that, Google is throwing up this result. That is one thing.
Okay.
And another thing is, most of the time, people who are closer to your network are the ones who have searched this keyword, right?
Okay. Okay.
And whoever has searched for this keyword, they might have entered or gone to this website and read information about you, right?
How many people have viewed, sir? This is, how do we know?
This data you will not be able to get here because this is a LinkedIn website.
The other website, sir, go top, go to search page, Professor Dr. V. Raguraman,
Okay.
give the gap Oman, put Oman. No. Same page.
Raguraman.
Oman, O-M-A-N, Oman. Okay, now you see,
Okay.
it comes, some other it comes there.
Which one, sir? The first question, the first list or the
No,
other list?
now you search it, it goes to some other page, it comes there. Professor Dr. V. Raguraman, Oman.
This is what you are speaking about?
No.
Or this is the one?
No, this is, for me, it shows Arson. First page is Arson. Some other website is coming there.
Okay, ARCEM is what is coming for you, right?
This is upside come here. When I put Oman, it comes first. How it is for you, it is LinkedIn. For me, it is mobile, it is different thing.
No, it is not like that.
Okay.
Actually, if you look at my screen, I have logged in, right?
Okay.
So Google search result will differ for each person based on their active area, based on their search history, based on their behaviors.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay, so this result will not be same for all. This result will differ based on the user's behavior, user search history, everything is included.
Okay.
So
Now you see, sir, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. I'm sorry, mine is open book, sir. No problem at all. You can see. No need to worry.
No, sir, I'm not able to follow you properly. Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, I couldn't follow you properly.
Nothing, sir. No, it is coming there. It is coming in the, see, in one page, it's got different people have viewed that.
Right.
That is
Yeah,
what
right. Yeah, I got it. So the search results, this is actually an organic listing.
Okay.
Okay, if it is a paid listing, you still have option to bid for those keywords.
Oh, okay.
Again, when it is an organic search, it depends on the user's history and search history, browser history, behavior, everything, right?
Okay.
But when it comes to paid campaign, Google will not go for the user's behavior, user's search history and all.
Okay.
Because the campaign setup itself is trigger my ad when someone is searching for Professor Dr. V. Raguraman Oman.
Okay.
So your ad will get triggered.
Okay.
Your ad will get promoted.
Okay. Fine, sir. Just example for this. Okay, thank you.
No problem. So search keywords is something which we ask Google to trigger my ad based on the keywords inputs. Search terms is something Google has decided to trigger my ad based on my conditions. So I have keyed in 19 keywords, but based on my 19 keywords conditions, Google has identified 81 keywords related to my conditions and promoted my ads. And out of this, what is my what is my options and what is my auction insights is something that I am getting from the auction insights. Now there is another section called negative keywords.
Okay.
This is something which I have missed on my explanations. Negative keywords is something that you are asking Google to not show my ads for these keywords.
Okay.
For example, there is a keyword called admission, right? I have given in a keyword like cake delivery in Chennai.
Okay.
If someone has searched for cake delivery in Chennai admissions, or for example, college admissions, that will teach me how to cook a cake. I'm just giving you an example. I have opted for a keyword like show my ads when someone is searching for how to cook a cake or how to prepare a cake. Okay, but someone is searching for college admissions for bakery classes. Okay.
Yes.
My cake keyword is there, so Google might show up my ad based on the keyword strategy that I have chosen. Say for example, I have gone for a broad match condition for this keyword that I have given, and Google finds this admission based keywords relevant to my keyword and still shows my ad. In order for me to restrict that promotion or ad display, I am asking Google to make this keyword as a negative keyword. I think I am not giving you a proper explanation. Let me give you cake delivery in Chennai. Okay. Here I have given negative keywords as free. Let me show you. Okay, here I'll take a sample of Erode. I have given negative keyword as Erode, right? Imagine that someone is searching for Chennai, buy cake online in Erode. It's taking time to save. So as an example, I'm just editing this keyword. So I have given a keyword like cake, buy cake online. So this is the keyword I am asking Google to trigger my ads when someone is searching for buy cake online. But whereas someone is searching for buy cake online in Erode. So what do you think? Google still will show my ad? Hello?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because what is this reason?
No, this is actually a face match. This is actually a face match.
Okay.
So my condition is fulfilled. As per Google, my condition is fulfilled.
Buy cake. Okay.
Okay, buy cake online is the
correct.
keyword which I want Google to promote my business.
Okay.
But whereas the actual user has searched for buy cake online in Erode.
Erode. Okay.
My condition is fulfilled. Google will still promote my ad.
Okay.
Whereas that keyword is not relevant for me. I want to exclude that keyword, or I don't want to show up for this keyword. How will I do that? That is where I make use of the negative keyword section.
Okay.
So here I will add that Erode as a negative keyword.
Okay.
So when someone is searching for buy cake online in Erode, my ad won't get triggered for that keyword.
Well, what is the reason, sir? What is the reason for that? How do you say negative? Erode is negative. Now I am a person from Erode. I want to buy a cake online. I put that. Then when I put Erode like this, he will not show that. if you're searching?
Actually, this business is located in Chennai.
Okay.
So I am actually targeting people who are only in Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
fine. Okay.
But still, someone sitting in Valacheri might be searching for buy cake online in Erode.
Correct.
Okay. At that point of time, I don't want to attract that user to my website. Why? Because that person will not make that order in my website. Because that person is actually trying to order a cake in Erode for someone else.
Okay.
Okay, but he is searching for that service sitting at in Valacheri.
Okay.
I am setting my targeting location as Valacheri.
So what? You only sales only. It's only online sales only. I am working. My friend is there in Erode. I am looking for him. He's a layman. He does not know about this. This online marketing. I am searching for him there, and I'm giving order on behalf of him.
Exactly right. But I am not serving that location. As a brand, I am serving only customers who are located only in Chennai.
Maybe A-class cities. Probably may think like that. A-class cities, or probably he wants to have. He has got some sort of thing in his mind.
Right. Just to give you an example, since I am delivering the cake, I will not be able to deliver the cake from here to Erode.
Okay.
Okay. Say for example, I have to bear that additional cost, like I have to keep that ice cream not to be melted.
Okay. Fine. External factors. Certain external factors are there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just serving the people who are only located in Valacheri.
Okay, fine. Good.
And I don't want that. I don't want that person who is actually searching for delivery to be happened in Erode.
Okay.
That's just an example.
Oh, understood.
Yeah. So that is why I want to exclude that kind of a person.
Okay. Clear.
Got it, sir. So in order for me to take control of such search queries, I use multiple match types, and I use negative sections, negative keyword sections, everything. And apart from that, I take control of delivery of my ads through location section. Location section is where you set up your campaign to be where you want to promote it. Like for example, in this case, I have chosen only 10 kilometers around Valacheri, which means that whoever is searching for the keywords, whichever I am targeting, the additional condition is that search should be happening within this radius.
Okay.
For example, if someone is searching for buy cake online in Chennai from Sri Paramudur, my ad won't get triggered. My ad won't be promoted for that person.
Okay.
So whoever is searching within this 10-kilometer radius is the one who is going to get to see my ad.
No, but with the specific 10 kilometers radius, Chennai is a big area. This side, north, south, east, west. What is the radius of that, Chennai? As per the Google specification?
No, this is something which I have said.
Okay. Otherwise, I'm asking only Chennai region only. If I put Chennai only.
No, here you can able to increase your targeting locations.
Target locations. Okay, fine. Right.
Yeah. So you can set your locations based on the city and based on the state and everything. Okay. I have set this location into 10-kilometer radius. That's all.
Fine. Right, sir. Right.
And again, you can also exclude your targeting locations as well. Say, for example, you want to target the complete Tamil Nadu, but still you want to exclude only the Erode section. You will be able to do that. Like how you want to restrict the ad promotions using the negative keywords, you can exclude the locations where you don't want to promote those ads.
Fine. Yes. Clear.
Yeah. And similarly, you can actually schedule your campaigns for specific period of the day or specific days of the week.
Okay.
From the ad schedule section. Say, for example, I have set this campaign to be promoted only on Fridays and Sundays on the higher side. sorry, on all the days from 8 to 6 o'clock, morning 8 to 6 o'clock.
Okay.
So
You
these
can
kind of
schedule the timing, you can schedule the dates also, am I right? Excluding
yeah.
some dates, all the things can be done there. Okay, fine.
Correct. So ad scheduling and location targeting and device targeting, everything can be done from the platform itself. I am showing you the device section right now, where you can set up the device targeting. If you don't want to target computer users, you can exclude them from the computer exclude section.
Okay.
If you want to target only the mobile users, you can set up your campaign like that. This is actually a device performance.
Okay.
I haven't set any target for mobile devices. Set any target for the devices, so you are able to see all the 3 types of devices.
Okay.
But still, you can able to exclude this settings from the exclude section.
Okay.
And there is a settings section where you can actually set up all the settings for your campaigns and ad groups and ad sets. Like, what is the maximum budget I can go for a day?
Okay.
So here I have given 500 rupees as a maximum budget for this specific ad group or specific campaign.
Okay.
So on Google AdWords, the budget is set up based on the campaigns, which means that in this campaign I have around some 10 ad groups. So one ad group might utilize my complete budget, or all the ad groups might utilize my complete budget.
Okay.
So 500 is set as a maximum budget for this campaign. There might be one ad group which will utilize the whole 500 rupees for that one ad group itself.
Okay.
So the budget is based on the campaign level budget that you set. And there are other sections of bidding as well, like what is the strategy of bidding that you want to go at. Here I have set maximum CPC bid limit is 45 rupees, which means that whatever bidding you can go, the maximum bidding I wish to pay is only 45 rupees. If there is a bidding happening for about 100 rupees, I don't want to participate on that bidding.
Okay.
So I will set only 45 rupees. So whenever there is a scenario that a maximum of 45 rupees can be spent, that is when Google will give the opportunity for me to promote my ad.
Okay. So can you go for any question and session? Anything?
Yes, sir, we can go ahead, sir.
Still time is there?
No, there is about it's about 5:13,
Okay.
and I don't think apart from you, nobody else is actually.
That is what. It is very embarrassing for me also. I am the only person asking question, always asking question, and others are keeping quiet. I'm not giving opportunity. I feel I'm guilty that I'm not giving opportunity for them to ask any question.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. We can go ahead, sir.
Ask somebody else. Let them ask questions, sir. Any question. Let them not feel fear.
Anybody has any?
No, they should not feel fear. What is a see by asking question only, not only for you to learn, others you are making others to learn also.
Right. So, can anybody tell what is CPC? Sorry, CPC. Hello?
I can say cost per click,
Right.
cost per impression, cost per subscription, cost
Correct.
per install, map like this.
Right.
I
Can
can tell you overview, sir. I can tell you the overview, entire thing. I can say I have taken the notes.
Okay. I don't know how many else has taken that kind of a notes. Is there anyone has any doubts? Apart from him, nobody is actually answering here.
Yeah.
Okay. You have any other doubts, sir?
Nothing, sir. No doubts, sir, so far. Why? That's why whenever I have a doubt, I clarify immediately. I don't want to carry.
No problem. And there is someone, Vasundhara Devi. Which campaign is more costly to pay Google Ads?
Yeah, that's good.
There is no any such campaign that where you have to pay more costly for campaigns. It's all about how you are setting up the campaign and how relevant you are keeping your targeting is what decides your spend. If you set up your campaigns properly, you ensure that you are spending very less and you are making most out of the Google AdWords platform. So it's all about it all depends on the keyword selections and ad copy building and optimizing your landing pages. Okay, but tell the areas where it is most useful. I think AdWords is most useful when you want to drive more sales to your business, and when you want to. It again it depends on the requirement of any business. If it is a new business which wants to build brand awareness or build huge volume of reach, they can go out for display campaigns. And if it is a video content based promotions, YouTube campaigns can be done. There is no any specific section where it is very useful or something like that. Almost all the parts of Google Ads is actually useful depending on the business's needs. Any other thoughts, please? Yeah, please go ahead.
Business, Google Ads.
Generally, not in the Google page, see my name, but I cannot see how many people have seen, what is the traffic, who are all seen there like this. Not possible for me. Am I right to see?
Okay.
My page, in Google page, you type my name, Professor Dr. V. Raghuraman, Oman, type it there. There are so many. I mean, people from the different organizations have seen my profile. But how do I know who has seen and what is the profile of seeing the people profile? Do you have any picture on that?
Okay. There is a platform called Google Analytics through which you will be able to understand understand these kind of or know these kind of informations. But okay, unfortunately, you will be able to see these informations only for websites that you have control over. Like for example, if I want to understand how many people have entered into my website or how many people have visited my website, okay, I have to place a tracking code on that website.
How?
So that installing that tracking code in LinkedIn is not possible, right? You don't have control over that LinkedIn website.
Yeah.
So wherever you have control over the website, like installing a tracking code on the website, you have the control to view what is happening on inside the website. For example, I'm sharing you a screen.
Okay.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Analytics screen. Okay, this is an analytics screen, which the sample product which we have seen so far right now, Happy Returns. So here I am going for last 30 days. Okay, so if you look at, there are about 1,200 users have visited my website in the last 30 days through organic search.
Okay.
And there are 253 users who have directly entered my website, which means that happyreturns.com.
Okay.
They have directly typed that URL or website in the browser and then entered into my website.
Okay.
And there are 62 people have come to my website through social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything. All put together is addressed as social media here. Okay. And there are 8 people who have come to my website through referral sites. Referral sites in the sense, right now, I might have added my website as a business website in LinkedIn, right?
Okay.
So someone might have seen my website in there, and they have clicked it there, and then they have landed into my website.
But can I not see like this?
Like how, sir?
See what you are seeing there. Can I not see? Is it possible to organic search, direct, and then social, and then this is a referral like this? Will I see my name like that?
No. If you look at this screen right now, I have gone into the social section where from YouTube I have got 50 users. From Facebook I have got 6 users. From Instagram I got 5 users. From Quora I got 1 user. Okay.
Okay.
This I am able to find out because I have installed the tracking code in the happyreturns.com website.
How to install it?
So
Paid or free? Paid or free?
no. In your own website you can able to install, but on LinkedIn you will not be able to install.
But what about Facebook?
Not even on Facebook you will not be able to install.
Instagram?
No, you will not be able to install.
What is this, sir? Then?
No, on your profile,
Ah.
say for example, in LinkedIn profile,
Ah.
you can able to see how many times you have appeared in the organic search result.
That we can. I can see. Okay.
Yeah, right. And how many people have visited your profile.
Okay.
That information is provided in LinkedIn. Okay, but whereas in Facebook,
Ah.
there is no such option available for general public, like how many people have viewed your profile or how many times you have visited, shown up in the search results. That data is not being given to the public by Facebook.
But as I said, LinkedIn, I have seen that a graph will come here. This week,
Right.
so many people have seen there like this. A graph will shown there for me.
Correct.
This
So
is
that is a general feature that LinkedIn is providing for the user,
users. Okay.
but Facebook is not providing that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but what you are trying to understand is basically how people have entered into my website and how they are behaving in my website. That is possible only when you install analytics kind of a code or a tracking code.
But that is not
Analytics-
possible in LinkedIn. That is not possible in LinkedIn.
Right. Yeah, that's a third party website, right?
Oh.
See, this analytics is kind of like you will not be able to find out your competitors' business intelligence, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Similarly, you will not be able to understand other people's website data. How many people have come to their website? How many people have how they are behaving into their website is something that you will not be able to get from a general tools.
Okay.
That data will be available only when you have the control and you have installed the analytics or tracking codes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I think
Yeah.
time is up. I think 7:25, 5:25.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, sir, no problem.
Thank you very much. Good explanation. I'm very happy. I'm delighted, and also, I mean, a lot of inputs. Now, when I see that, I'm taking the notes. My goodness, mind-boggling, really. So
Okay.
many informations are there. So many information are there. I was grouping in the dark. I'm a management grad, and I did my PhD in HR. But when I go for the technical side, the bidding strategy, you mentioned about the bidding strategy, and you mentioned about so many unbelievable things are there for this. Very tough keyword
I
for
hope
this.
this session is useful for everyone as well.
Pardon?
I hope this session is useful for everyone.
Yeah, of course. It is useful for me, sir. Because it's a non-technical subject, I'm able to do something. To be frank with you, there.
Okay.
Technical subject is very difficult to understand, conceptualize whatever the technical words, unless otherwise you are thorough with this.
Right.
Since it is a
Understanding this.
non-technical, general layman, if you are interested, if you have a passion to learn, you can learn. That's all.
Right, sir.
Nothing else I can say.
Right. Fine, sir. Fine. Good to meet with you all and got an opportunity to just give a basic understanding of what Google AdWords and how you can make use of it. Thanks for the time. Thanks for the wonderful opportunity.
Sir, I've been asked to give you a vote of thanks for this thing. Madam has come here. Sumati, Madam
Okay.
Ji.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I am here. Don't worry.
Madam has come in the right
Any interaction from the participants, sir?
hand. Sir, you used to say.
Any interaction from the participants?
Yes, sir. Yes, madam.
Since so right from the beginning, sir has been keeping this session interaction and active.
Okay. Okay, sir.
that's a good sign for me. And apart from that, there are few other participants who has actually quoted or asked their doubts here through
Okay.
direct call as well as on the chat itself. That's good.
Yes.
That's a good sign for me. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. It's now over to Raguraman, sir.
Right.
Mr. Arun Kumar Chinnadurai.
Right, sir.
Arun Kumar Chinnadurai is a man of depth of knowledge. I am telling about this thing. And today's program, he has covered mostly on Google Ads and how does Google Ad work for this. And he started with the how Google Ad has been renamed Google AdWords to Google Ads. That also mentioned there.
Right.
And also he was telling about the 5 methods of promotion: search engine, search campaign, and shopping, display campaign, video, app campaign, like that mentioned there. Also, he has covered about these benefits of the Google. What are how the keywords is important. He has also covered for this. And also he has covered about this CP, CPR, CPC, CPR, cost per click, cost per impression. Very good explanation is given there and shown a good, beautiful presentation from his side. And also bidding strategy. What is a bidding strategy? How to bid, and through bidding strategy, how it will go up. Your ad will come up in the first stage, and selling campaign itself for this. And also, what is the landing page? I inquired about the landing page. He mentioned clearly about the landing page for this. What is landing page? How landing page is useful for this? And then Google Analytics is very helpful for them. How the entire structure can be analyzed, thereby probably the tracking system can be done there. And then how much of your website has been used by the many people are there, how it can be used there, what are the possibilities, how it can increase the traffic. I'm amazing. The whole session is very much, I'm interested. It is interested for me. Excellent presentation by Mr. Arun Kumar Chinnadurai ji. Good knowledge about this entire topic about this. And the 6th-day program today is the 6th day. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Today 6th day. The whole session is awesome. Session is very much awesome for this thing. I learned a lot. I can take notes of it. If you want, I can take the notes, entire thing. I take the notes. It's very useful for me. I hope the entire thing session will be useful for you. And also thank you for the Sumati madam who has given an opportunity for me to give the vote of thanks to the great person Arun Kumar Chinnadurai ji. And why I'm telling is, whenever we ask any doubts, any clarification, he's in a position to say instantly, immediately. That made me impulse. That's why it made me to ask many doubts for me there.
Right.
By asking 1% doubt, it clarifies the 75%. Some people may be hesitant to ask clarification. Am I right, sir? Some people may be different to ask clarification like this. But I am the person, if you want to learn something else, you have to learn. If you are hungry, you have to go for the kitchen. Kitchen will not come to you.
Right. Exactly right.
That is the way I think like that. That's the way I'm habituated, and that's the way I'm doing for this thing. So thank you very much for the wonderful session. I hope if time permits, probably some of the sessions, if non-technical session, you can come and take. That's what my recommendation
Sure.
to Sumati madam for these things. Thank you, Sumati madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for keeping this session live and interactive.
Yes, sir. Why I'm asking is, if you talk, then only you can see. If you tap the door, only you get the sound. Tap the door, you will not get the sound. Either calling bell or tapping it. Anyway, get the sound means, unless otherwise, if you want to gain a knowledge, that too, see, you are not a very, very old person. I'm a very old man. I'm not a young person. They get angry. Quietly, they get a bit angry. Interpretation like this. But you are the person to gain knowledge. Right, sir? That you got the point.
Right.
That's the only way, nothing else. Otherwise, everyone is very happy, but they are not able to say. That's all I can say.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Not the point. Otherwise, fag end of the world is going to reduce it there. It was 140 people, 140 participants, 150, 170, 180. Okay, it's quite by natural when you go to the fag end of the world, it will be slightly reduced there for them. Okay, to sit for 3 hours also, it's not so easy. But however, the whole thing is very interesting.